Today I am trying to tackle a project that has been a long time coming, where I have a shipping container for a house. So when I built this wall, it cracked. It cracked a very long time ago, and I got someone to patch it, but it was a family member. It was not done the way it should have been. I'm trying to right that and be able to go over it, tape and float it again if necessary, sand it, texture it, and paint it, or prime it then paint it. This is going to be a multi-day process, but for now I have taken all of my lights down. I had some Edison bulb lights around my room and I've taken those down. Let's see what we can get done today. What I'm doing now is not taping and floating, it's getting off the old stuff. I did put a little bit of new stuff up here, but it's getting off a lot of the mounded up old joint compound that the person I asked to help me put on here when it was not necessary. So it's very bulky, and one of the reasons that it cracked is because it was bulky. So I'm trying to get rid of a lot of that, be able to prime, and then maybe Monday night go buy paint. That is the plan. We'll see if we get to that, but that is the plan. So anyway, this is gonna be gross by the time I'm done with all the joint compound that's coming off. But one of the reasons that I'm liking trying to vlog, because I'm trying to be, eventually, I would like to be a full-time content creator. But this is keeping me on task. This is keeping me, well, this is the plan. This is what I want to do, and I want to record it. So let's get it done. And I really don't want to record with a lot of people around, so I need to do it while my husband is at work. So my little brother lives in here with me. He's in the other room. So if you hear anything like a movie or something, that's him. If you hear chickens or turkeys or ducks, that is outside. That is my mom's. To try to get it done and make it look pretty, because I deserve pretty stuff and I deserve to be happy with what I have. Right now I am not, and I have done a lot of, oh, it's good enoughs. But no, I want to do it. I want to do it right, and I want it to look nice, and I deserve that. I deserve nice things. I deserve a room that looks nice. If I want something to look nice and it requires repurchasing something, like I'm probably gonna have to buy new curtains and new curtain rods, or at least reattach these better, then that is what I'm going to do, because I deserve that, and so do you. You deserve nice things. Everyone deserves nice things. Just because I did this doesn't mean that I don't deserve it to look nice too. So I'm trying to take my time and do things the right way, because I grew up with a just get it done mom. Like, okay, hurry up, just get it done, and not a get it done right. And I've had to reteach myself, like, oh yeah, it's done. But just because it's done doesn't mean it's done right. Just because you cook dinner doesn't mean dinner tastes good. Just because you did laundry doesn't mean you got the stains out of the clothes. Like, slow down. Sometimes it's not about it just being done. Sometimes it's about doing it right, because like after you wash the clothes, that stain is probably set. Not all the time, but you know, let me get the stuff done that I need to get done in a way that I want it to look, and I deserve that. Excuse the mess. I am covered in joint compound. This is Brooklyn.
Hello.
We have been working on this, and I found that after I go over it the first time and let it dry a little, if I smooth it out with my hand, it seems to be a whole lot smoother. There's some areas it's not going to be perfect. I can't really get behind the TV very well right now, but we are in the process of making it look way better. So we're about to stop on the bed because that's what we're on right now. That's how I can touch the ceiling. So we're going to stop being on the bed and go fix the corner by the door, and that is going to be our next project. But I'm going to wash my hands first and try to get some more progress done, because after we get this done we can put the room back for now, because I gotta work tomorrow. But I'm going to chill for a little. Maybe get some lunch or some breakfast. It's like noon, it's lunch. Maybe get some food. I'm hungry. Oh, oops. She wants me to show you the progress, so I'm gonna flip you around.
We've got the corners almost done.
So we have redone a lot of the top. This center seam, this side over here had a lot of unevenness, and then we've gone pretty far down, and then over here in the corner. Back up. So we've done over here in the corner as well. Just trying to make it better and to get it ready to prime my next day off, which is the day after tomorrow. This is our current project. Need to get everything back to where it was before, and maybe start removing some of the stuff from the wall after we get that corner finished, to where Monday when I want to prime it's easier, because I will not have her help on Monday because she has school. We are almost done with the taping and floating today. We've got that wall all done. This wall needed some work. I had to take some pictures down, and we're just waiting for it to dry some. I think we'll be ready to prime the next time I am off. So let's see if I can get all this done, because I've got to get all that I want done. The taping and floating, the priming, and the painting. I have 3 days off to do it. After that, I've got to start packing for Alaska. So I'm in a crunch right now. I've got less than a month till we go, and I am only here about half the time, and I've got a lot of plans coming up because we're coming up on Easter. So let's see what we can get done on my days off. I think I am done with my project for the day. Everything's got to dry, but it already looks so much better. So I got some more joint compound on me as I came in the door. But I went and had some lunch in the house. I had some microwavable soup dumplings. I'm going to see if everything's as dry as it needs to be and try to put my bed back in to get everything back to where we can function for tonight and tomorrow before I'm able to start this again. I want everything put back as close to normal as it can be. Oh, I need to use the spray. Okay, pause that. We can't put it back together yet. I'm gonna have to use the texturing spray. Let's go do that. I have some texture in a can, so I don't have to have a whole texture done. So we're gonna get this and apply it. So I had to take off the cover. Okay, it's gone. Let's go outside. But now I for sure just need to prime on Monday, so that's good. Now, let's get out before I expire.